YouTube! Welcome to another episode of my tip and trick series. Today I show you shut up! Sorry, today we have some visitors who are watching our projects, but doesn't matter, this is nature. Okay, welcome again to a new episode of my tip and trick series. Today I show you useful tricks with the corkscrew. For many bushcraft projects you need a tube. For example, for a pencil or for a whistle or for a fire blowing tube or for a saxophone. A good possibility to make such a tube is to take an elderberry stick where you can scrape out the soft part with the corkscrew. So here is the soft part. Like this, you have on both sides a 4 centimeter hole. After this, you can turn in the saw like this. Then you have 7 centimeters on each side. After this, you need a dry hardwood stick. Make a cut and turn it carefully in, and like this you make the rest. If you want carry, hold or pull something and you need a handle, you can take paracord or another cord, make a knot, open your corkscrew and turn it in like this, and now you have a perfect handle. But you have to be careful with this trick because the corkscrew can bend here, and I would say don't carry more than 10 or 15 kilograms. I like to have a pen in my scale, and if you have such a knife with a hook, you can clamp your pen in the groove from the hook. This is a well-known trick. I'm sure you saw this already 1,000 times. But if you don't have a hook on your knife, like here, you can also wrap the pen into the corkscrew like this, and now you have the same extension. My favorite trick is to hold a hot piece of corn without burning your fingers. That's it for today. Of course, there are other tricks with the corkscrew, for example, untie the knot or cleaning your fingernails, but I'm sure you saw this already 1,000 times. That's why I don't show these tricks. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.